Hello, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to create patterns in Inkscape. This is part 2 in previous video. I think you have watched the part 1 video. If you have not seen it, you can watch it here. So in today's video I'm sharing with you how to create this pattern. This one is also geometric but different from the previous pattern. And there are several colors here. This is the tile size of this pattern. 500 pixel width and 700 pixel height. If you want these colors, here are the colors I used. So let's see how to do this. First I create a rectangle to the pattern tile size. It should be 500 pixel wide and 700 pixel high. Then I change color of that. No stroke paint and fill color change to this color. After that, I lock it. Then I create shapes. You can see different shapes in this pattern. These are the shapes I used for this. There are 7 different shapes here. After creating the shapes, I duplicate them, adjust their sizes and change their positions. Then I apply colors like this. I only apply them for a few shapes, because it looks better. Now we need to create the edges of this object. They should be set up so that they can be repeated correctly. How can we do that? We can use Transform tool. I select these top objects and go to the Transform tool. If you don't see this tool here, click this icon and select Transform tool. Now it will appear here. Now the vertical distance should be 700 pixels. You should leave this blank. Remember that. After creating a duplicate I apply this transformation. Now it has gone here. Now these objects should be copied to this side. I select objects and go to the Transform tool. Now I set the vertical distance to 0 and the horizontal distance to 500 pixels. After creating a duplicate, I apply this. Now this circle should be copied to this side. I select the circle and create a duplicate. Then I'm going to transform it to -500 pixels. Now it has gone here. I make some changes now. Then I unlock this rectangle. Then I create a duplicate and hide it. You can see some circles and rectangles here. These are not converted as a path. We need to convert these objects to paths. I select all of that. Then go to Object and convert to Paths. So now the design is completely done. Now we need to clip this whole object to tile size. I select all and create a group. Then unhide this rectangle. I select both. Then go to Object, Clip, Set Clip. Then I select the clip and go to Object and select Object to Pattern. Now it has converted to pattern. Now I'm going to create a rectangle to apply this pattern. I think no errors, it's fine. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to channel, see you in the next video.